Okay, I think I figured out the style for Rhaenyra's hair. Also, check out my necklace I just made. New necklace. But I think I figured out the style for Rhaenyra's hair that goes with her outfit that I'm making. Look! It's messy as hell because everything's just pinned in and not sewn in. But you can see under here is a big chunk of weft that I bought and sewn together. There's 2 different colors. We'll go over that in a second. In here. And basically it's going to be sewn into the, if this is how the style is going to be, which I think it is, it's going to be sewn into the wig cap here. And honestly, it's going to be braided down into here. The top part of the hair will come over and overlap here. And I'm braiding the top hair from the wig and the weft extension into one big braid, thus making it all the way down. So I think that's how it is. It's, like I said, real messy, and I think it also needs to be up a little bit higher. It's kind of sinking down. I think it needs to be more on the crown of her head instead of the back part of her head. And then it's just going to be pinned and sewn into place. But I think I got it. I think I got it, if this is how it is. Now, who knows? There might be some other funky thing going on back here, but we'll get images on Sunday's episode. But I'm very happy with that, how that works out and how it looks, considering the colors of wefts that I got. Let me show you. So there's no color correction here on this video. This is literally the colors that you are seeing that I purchased. So I got this platinum and more of a honey color, regular blonde, and these are blended together. Now they're all little clips because these are actually cheaper to get sometimes than actual wefts. And the Wiggis Fashion doesn't sell wefts in that color, so I'm going to have to make my own. So basically what I did is that I took 1 2-piece clip-on weft. I'm taking the clips off of these, obviously. And then 4 clip-ons into one, and I sandwiched this in the middle. So I will kind of show you what it ends up looking like. Here is the weft sandwich, or at least the top part of it. It is the lighter platinum blonde on out both sides with that yellowy, more yellow, brassy blonde in between. And when you sandwich them and I've said sandwich way too many times, but when you make a weft extension like this and you start to braid it, the colors do blend, and so it gets a better looking, more dimensional hair color besides just one flat color. Because I do believe that her hair is more ash blonde, which is more Daenerys, than blonde or platinum, and so that's a combination of colors. If you guys are curious on how the actual wig is for Rhaenyra, but yep. Here it is. There's the weft. Next step is to finalize the hair after Sunday's episode. Woo!